Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping. Guys, this is just going to be a quick video for you guys. But first off, I want to say thank you very much for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that stopped by, share some time with me on the channel, and share your thoughts and input on the videos that I'm putting out. Anyways, like I said, this is just a quick super video on taking advantage on every opportunity you can to get your business out there. So sit back, stay tuned. There's going to be a quick one. Let's do this. Alright guys, like I said, my name is Dylan. If you guys have been following me here for a little while, you know that I work full-time and run a landscape company, and we're trying to grow our business to be at a full-time status. Like I said, this is about taking advantage of any opportunity you can to get your business name out there. Here I am, I just showed up to a property. You guys have seen this one before. We just got done cutting it, but as I look down the corner here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a for sale sign sitting right there. That home is for sale, meaning that there's going to be a lot of traffic coming down this street to come by and check out that house. So what did we do? We put a yard sign up in this property because a lot of folks are going to be driving by here. They're going to drive by this property, they're going to see it, they're going to see who did it, and you never know, that could be an opportunity for people to see your quality of work and to give you a phone call. So as you guys are out there maintaining your properties, if you see a new for sale sign pop up in the neighborhood, if it's right by one of your properties like this, or it's just down the street, that's a great time to pop a yard sign in the front yard, because you never know who is going to see that sign, who's going to make the phone call to you and ask if you can give them an estimate on your property. So like I said, this is just a quick little video. I just thought it'd be a good idea to share that tip with you. Like I said, I'm learning just as much as you guys are, so I'm just trying to share anything that I feel like could be informative to you guys. So if you see a for sale sign in the neighborhood or right next to one of your properties, guys, drop a yard sign out there. Take advantage of people coming down the street and seeing your work. So thank you guys for stopping by another video. Drop a comment down below. Tell me, do you guys take advantage of situations like this? What do you guys do to put your brand out there? I want to know what you guys do, and plus anyone that looks at the comment section, they can find out what you guys do and maybe implement that into their business. So thank you guys very much for stopping by. As always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. We will see you guys in the next one.